Imagine landing in Indonesia, skipping the long immigration lines, and stepping straight into adventure. Sounds amazing, right? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that by applying for an eVisa on arrival, all from the comfort of your home. Stay tuned to learn how you can save time and hassle and make your Indonesian journey a breeze. And hey, if you like convenient travel tips like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out. Let's get started. First, head to the official website for Indonesia's eVisa application. Don't worry, I've made it easy for you by adding the link right in the description below. Once you're on the site, you'll find all the information you need. General details, FAQs, you name it. Today, I'll guide you through the essentials to make sure you're good to go without any confusion. To enter Indonesia, foreign visitors must have a passport that is valid for at least 6 months from the day of entry, have a passport with at least one blank page, have proof of a return or onward flight out of Indonesia. The visa exemption is valid for 30 days and is non-extendable. To start, hit the Apply button. You'll need to select your country and the purpose of your visit. Make sure you choose tourism for the most common eVisa category. You'll also select the length of stay, which is capped at 30 days for an eVisa on arrival. Yes, you read that right. 30 days of incredible experiences await you. After that, click Details and Apply. You will find all the information such as the eVisa cost and length of stay. The eVisa is valid for 30 days and costs around 500,000 Indonesian rupiah, or approximately 35 USD. Now, click on Apply. You'll be asked to upload a copy of your passport and a photograph. Make sure to check the guidelines on the right side of the page to ensure your documents meet the required format. Once everything is ready, click Next to proceed. A pop-up will appear with all your passport information. Review and validate the details, then click Yes. Check that all the information automatically populated from your passport is accurate. Next, fill in any additional required details, such as your accommodation information. Upload your passport and outbound ticket documents. Enter your email address and click Next. Confirm your submission by validating all the details once more. Check the boxes next to each piece of information to confirm accuracy. Read and accept the terms and conditions. Then click the Save button. Confirm your submission to ensure your eVisa application details are saved. If you need to add more people to your visa batch, use the Add Other button. Once you are finished, click Submit. You will receive a confirmation email at the address you provided. The email will include a link that redirects you back to the application page. After submitting your application, you will need to make the payment. You have approximately 4 hours and 30 minutes to complete this step, after which your application will expire. Please note that minor additional bank charges may apply when making the payment. After completing the payment, you will receive a receipt. Your eVisa on arrival will be sent to your email immediately after the payment is processed. Be sure to print a hard copy of the eVisa to present during immigration. If you're traveling to Bali, you'll also need to pay a retribution fee of 150,000 IDR, which is around £10 per person. This fee can be paid through the official Love Bali website. Since August 27, 2024, all travelers to Indonesia must also complete the Satu Sehat Health Pass (SSHP) before their arrival. And if 30 days in paradise isn't enough, don't worry. You can extend your eVisa by another 30 days to truly immerse yourself in the beauty of Indonesia. Again, a quick reminder, this eVisa option is for travelers from 92 countries. And if you're from Kazakhstan, Kenya, Panama, or similar nations, you're in luck. However, travelers from Cameroon, Guinea, Montenegro, North Korea, Pakistan, and Somalia must apply for a visa in advance. If this guide helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel and helps other travelers find this info. And I want to hear from you in the comments. Where in Indonesia are you planning to visit? Bali, Sumatra, maybe Yogyakarta? Let me know below. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to Single Destinations for more travel guides, tips, and hidden gems to make your adventures even better. Thanks for watching and happy travels!